The Juicy Gay Igbo man has been shopping for body care and skincare products. I went to Boots and Superdrug, my faves from The Ordinary, salicylic acid body serum, glycolic acid exfoliating toner. These two things will remove all the blemishes on your skin. Run and get them. I put this mainly on my body, and this one I put sometimes on my face in the evening and my decolletage. Amazing. Cotton wool pads from Superdrug, and these two are from Boots. This is organic face cosmetic large pad. These are so comfortable. These are clean towels for my face. I just decided to be using this dermatologically tested urea cream from Mixer. Amazing. Run and get this. Really good for the skin. For the price, yeah. Super milk spray and the powder. These two combo. Love them down. Collagen gel toner pads from Biodance. Really good. Brightening toner from Bioma. If you want to smell divine, this combo. Tahitian vanilla body cream from Palmer's and Tahitian vanilla body oil. These two combo. Amazing. We don't play with the skin under our beard and the beard, so I got this combo. Beard shampoo and conditioner and this beard oil. Both of them are from Bulldog. I love this. I've not used this before. I always use a particular one, but I love the smell of this so much and the texture of it. Those are the skincare products and body care products I got to keep this Igbo gay man juicy, moisturized and unbothered. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.